In today's digital landscape, YouTube has become not just a platform for entertainment, but a lucrative avenue for generating passive income. With the rise of automation tools and strategies, even beginners can dive into this space and start building profitable channels without needing to be a tech expert. But where should you start? Which channel niches offer the most potential for automation and profitability? In this video, we will explore the top 10 profitable YouTube automation niches for beginners. Number 10. Tech reviews. If you like tech, gadgets, or trends in general, then tech reviews are for you. In technology, there is always progress with new products and innovations. Reviews are always important when buying a new technology, a smartphone, tablet, or gaming console, for example. High demand for tech reviews makes it a profitable niche. Popular YouTubers like Linus Tech Tips, Unbox Therapy, and Marques Brownlee have created loyal fans by reviewing the hottest gadgets and technologies. These channels make revenue through advertisements as well as sponsorships, affiliate advertising, and product placements. Number 9. Health and fitness. Such a market is extremely popular and lucrative because so many people want to feel better, be fitter, and healthier. And no matter what others think about health and wellness, it's a matter for everyone, whatever their age, gender, or background. Content which promotes health and well-being, advice, and exercise is always needed. Popular channels like Blogilates, Yoga with Adrian, and AthleanX offer exercise routines, health tips, and wellness advice to their viewers. These platforms earn revenue through advertising, ebooks, online classes, sponsorships, and branded merchandise. Number 8. Personal finance. Passionate about helping others manage finances, save, invest, and become financially independent? This specialty is for you. A strong financial management skill is necessary for everyone, as financial literacy is becoming more important. Some are learning how to save money, manage their money, and invest wisely. For your good and useful financial advice, the market pays big profits. Some of their fans follow successful channels like Graham Stephan, The Dave Ramsey Show, and The Financial Diet for advice on investing strategies and personal finance. These include advertisements, sponsorships, affiliate advertising, book sales, and online courses. Number 7. DIY and crafts. You may be a teacher who loves to impart knowledge to others and enjoys making tangible things. Everyone is looking for some way to decorate their home, make a present, or just have a hobby. Because Etsy and Pinterest are such popular platforms, lots of people want to learn how to make their own stuff. As a result of the constant need for low-cost and innovative projects, the DIY and craft sector is very profitable. Popular channels such as HGTV Handmade, Crafty Panda, and 5-Minute Crafts offer easy tutorials for many do-it-yourself projects. These sites collect revenue from ads or partnership or affiliate ads or from the sale of their own products or DIY kits. Number 6. Gaming. Those who like video games and share their gaming experiences with others will like the gaming niche. There are millions of players worldwide searching for content related to their games. Game-related content like gameplay guides, evaluations, strategies, and updates are popular with many viewers. Fans and gamers help make this niche profitable. Popular YouTubers including Ninja, Markiplier, and PewDiePie have developed huge followings for their entertaining and gameplay video clips. Such channels generate revenues from ad sales, sponsorships, merchandise sales, and donations during live streams. Number 5. Cooking and recipes. That's the perfect niche for those who like to cook and share food. Many people are fascinated by food and look for new recipes, cooking tips, and meal ideas. Recipes for a healthy meal plan, a weeknight dinner, or a festive holiday get-together are easy to prepare. The cooking recipes niche is very popular and very profitable to make income from. Tasty, Bon Appetit, and Binging with Babish are among the channels that have huge audiences for their recipe library, cooking tips, and food programming. These channels make revenue through ads, sponsorships, affiliate advertising, and cookbook sales. Number 4. Home improvement and organization. This field is for the people who like variability, home productivity, and advice on how to organize better. They're always looking for new ways to improve their living spaces, be it through the DIY projects, home renovations, or effective organizational methods. Such innovative and practical content for home decoration and organization is always in demand. The home improvement and organization niche is both attractive and lucrative because of the high interest. Channels like DIY Creators, Mr. Kate, and the Sorry Women have large followings for sharing home improvement, DIY projects, and organization ideas. These channels collect revenue via advertisements, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, partnerships with home decor and organizational brands. Number 3. Travel and adventure. For those who like traveling and sharing what they see with others, this niche is for you. For many people, traveling is a fascinating and motivating topic. Many want information about travel, be it finding out about less-known destinations, advice and schedules, or just going to new places. They drive people to see new places, try new cultures, and plan their own adventures. It's a hot skill that's popular for travel and excitement as well as financial gain. YouTube sensations like Nate and Kara, Drubinski, and the Bucket List family have created massive followings traveling and having adventures around the globe. These channels make money by selling ad space, sponsoring, affiliate marketing, and working with travel companies. Number 2. Beauty and fashion. Those who share their beauty tips and makeup techniques will find this market. The fashion and beauty industries are always evolving new products, techniques, and trends. People always want makeup tutorials, skincare regimens, fashion advice, and product reviews. Content about beauty and fashion is extremely lucrative due to the huge audience interest in such topics. For both audience engagement and financial success, James Charles, Zoella, and Michelle Phan are some of the big YouTube stars behind beauty tutorials, fashion hauls, and product reviews. These platforms make money by selling advertisements, sponsoring websites, affiliate advertising, and partnering with beauty and fashion companies. Number 1. Education and tutorials. People who enjoy teaching and spreading knowledge on subjects will fit in this niche perfectly. Education content is in high demand because increasingly people use online resources to learn new skills, get more knowledge, and overcome obstacles. They look for easily understandable and educational material in order to acquire knowledge in subjects such as academic studies, software instruction, language acquisition, and hands-on abilities. The education tutorial industry is considered valuable and potentially profitable because of the demand for it. Education videos from Khan Academy to TechSmith and Crash Course have had huge audiences. Those channels bring in income from advertisements, sponsorships, online courses, and partnerships with educational institutions. Each of these niches offers unique opportunities for leveraging automation to create engaging content and generate income. Whether you're drawn to educational content, tech reviews, or lifestyle tips, there's a niche out there that aligns with your interests and has the potential for success. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content like this.